Imagine holding a camera that costs less than $1,500, yet packs the exact same autofocus intelligence used by multi-thousand-dollar professional sports rigs. In 2022, Canon did something that completely disrupted the mid-range camera market. They launched the Canon EOS R7, resurrecting the legendary 7D spirit into a sleek, mirrorless body. For years, creators, wildlife enthusiasts, and sports photographers felt abandoned. Full-frame cameras were getting all the love, while high-performance APS-C crop sensor bodies were treated like an afterthought. But Canon changed the game by dropping a 32.5 megapixel beast that promised to blend raw speed, insane resolution, and elite tracking into an affordable powerhouse. The internet erupted. Reviewers called it the ultimate budget wildlife king. Content creators hailed it as the new hybrid standard. But beneath the massive hype train, a crucial question lingered. Is the EOS R7 a flawless masterpiece that entirely renders expensive full-frame setups obsolete? Or did Canon deliberately cut massive corners to protect their high-end lineup? To truly understand the power and the hidden frustrations of this camera, you have to look at what happens when you push it to the absolute limit. The moment you pick up the R7, the first thing that hits you is how fast it feels. This camera does not hesitate. It shoots a staggering 15 frames per second with a mechanical shutter. Switch it over to the electronic shutter, and it rockets up to 30 frames per second. That is faster than cinema film, firing off high-resolution RAW files at a speed that ensures you will never miss a bird taking flight, a car rounding a track, or a player scoring a touchdown. But speed means absolutely nothing if your shots are out of focus, and this is where Canon dropped their ultimate weapon. They loaded the R7 with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, driven by deep learning artificial intelligence. This is the exact same underlying technology found in their flagship professional bodies. You point the camera at a scene, and the AI instantly recognizes human eyes, animals, birds, and fast-moving vehicles. It locks on with a sticky, stubborn grip that refuses to let go, even if a bird flies behind branches or a car dips out of view. For a mid-range camera, this level of tracking feels like a cheat code. It turns incredibly difficult, frustrating action shots into a simple point-and-shoot experience. Then there is the sensor itself. Packing 32.5 megapixels into a crop sensor means you have an insane amount of detail at your disposal. If you are shooting wildlife or sports, that crop factor gives you an automatic 1.6 times reach advantage on every single lens you attach. A 300mm lens instantly behaves like a 480mm lens, bringing distant subjects right into your face without losing resolution. You can crop deep into an image after the fact and still have a pristine, sharp file ready for printing or large-scale display. For video creators, the story gets even more compelling. There are 7 oversamples its 4K video from a full 7K readout, delivering incredibly crisp, detailed footage without pixel binning. It gives you 10-bit internal recording with Canon Log 3, allowing filmmakers to capture wide dynamic range and great colors with professional flexibility. Add in up to 7 stops of